Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install VLC on Windows 11 in a very simple way. What you can do, you can simply open any of your favorite browser, then simply come over into the search option and simply search for VLC download. Click enter. And here you're going to get download official VLC Media Player for Windows. If you click on that, here is a download VLC option. Click on this. And if you scroll down a little bit, and as you can see, the download option came in. Click on download and it started the download. And the download has been completed. Now if you click on this folder icon, click on it 2 times to install the exe file. Click yes for the permission. And now you can simply close or minimize all of your background tab. Click OK for the permission. Click next, 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 and install. The installation begin automatically, so it will take some seconds to complete. For that, you have to keep your patience. After complete that, you can simply click on the finish and your VLC media rightly opened in your computer, as you can see. So yeah, this is how you can simply download, install VLC in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.